In this video, we will show the sublimation process for stainless steel thermal tumblers with a straw, available in both white and metallic finishes. The tumblers are made of double-layer aluminum, which helps maintain temperature, both hot and cold. To begin, we use a conical-shaped design so that it properly fits the surface of the tumbler. Remember that you can download the customization template from the product page on our website. We place the design around the tumbler and secure it, making sure it is properly aligned so that the print transfers evenly on both sides. Once ready, we place the tumbler into the sublimation press. We apply a temperature of 170 degrees for 20 seconds. Then, we rotate the tumbler to work on the other side and achieve a complete finish. It is important to handle it with gloves, as it will be hot. Next, we repeat the same process with the metallic tumbler. We cut the design into a conical shape. We place the design around the tumbler and secure it properly. We carry out the pressing process. Then, we rotate the tumbler and apply heat again. Once the process is finished, we let both tumblers cool down for a few minutes. This is the final result, with the design fully integrated into the surface.